On this episode of the Blue Angel Build, it's time to assemble. So here you want to be careful and take any precautions because you got to remember this is freshly painted pieces. We don't want to scratch them up. So we got the rear fender pusher on. Let's go ahead and reattach the fender stays. I got the rear fender on and the rear fender stays bolted down. So we're waiting for the graphics to get done on the bags. So let's go ahead and move on to the front and go ahead and get that completed. I'm gonna go ahead and put the headlight on and the turn signals on, and that'll complete the upper. Now I'm gonna put the front fender on. That's gonna complete the front of the bike. All right, I got the tank covers installed. Now let's go check on these bags and see if they're ready to go ahead and get put on the bike. All right, I've already installed the bag, the side covers, and the tour pack. So all we got left to do is go ahead and install these bag lids, and I've already wired them up with the speakers. So assembly is pretty much done. We have a few things we had to go over and tweak. Stay tuned to the next episode where we go complete walkthrough of the motorcycle and present the owner his new motorcycle. For all your customization needs, go to rushbikes.com.